Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wall-mounted wooden creation you can make as small woodworking projects for profit can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creating wall-mounted wooden pieces can be a rewarding venture for both hobbyists and those looking to turn a profit. These projects range from simple designs to intricate pieces, making them suitable for various skill levels and market demands. The beauty of woodworking is that it allows for creativity while providing functional products that can enhance any living space. Here, we'll explore a variety of small woodworking projects, focusing on wall-mounted creations that can be both appealing and profitable. One of the simplest projects you can start with is a wall-mounted coat rack. This practical item is always in demand, especially in households with limited space. A basic coat rack can be made from reclaimed barn wood or new hardwood, depending on your preference. Simply cut the wood to the desired length, sand it down for smoothness, and attach a series of hooks. You can personalize your coat rack by adding a special finish or by burning designs into the wood to create a rustic or contemporary look. Once completed, these coat racks can easily sell at local craft fairs or online marketplaces. Another project along the same lines is a wall-mounted shoe organizer. With the trend of decluttering and maximizing space, more people are looking for stylish ways to store their shoes. Practical purpose while keeping spaces tidy. They can be marketed as functional gifts for housewarmings or as practical items in homes and offices. Shadow boxes are an artistic project that combines woodworking with personal expression. These boxes can be designed to hang on walls and can showcase photos, memories, or decorative items. You can create different themes, such as travel, family, or nature. Choose lightweight wood and create a depth that allows for various elements to be displayed. Finishing these boxes with a protective coat will ensure durability, making them suitable for selling. Art enthusiasts or customers looking for personalized decor will appreciate these unique pieces. Another creative idea is a floating shelf. Floating shelves have gained popularity due to their minimalist design and ability to display books, plants, or decorative pieces without bulky brackets. Building floating shelves involves cutting wood to size and using hidden brackets to mount them securely on the wall. This project can be as simple or complex as you want, allowing you to experiment with sizing and wood types. Customers looking for modern solutions to their storage issues will likely be drawn to your handcrafted floating shelves. For those wanting to cater to the younger audience, making wall-mounted wooden toys can be a worthwhile endeavor. These can include simple puzzles, educational toys, or even decorative items that serve a function. Designing pieces that stimulate curiosity and creativity will attract parents looking for unique children's options. Wall-mounted toys can also serve as decor, encouraging imaginative play while enhancing a child's room. Wooden mail organizers can be another valuable project, providing a solution to clutter in households and offices alike. A simple wooden box with sections can categorize incoming and outgoing mail and keep everything in one place. Adding personal touches such as engraved names or decorative finishes will increase appeal. These organizers are particularly attractive to those who appreciate organization and aesthetics, making them popular for gifts. Picture frames are a classic wood project that never goes out of style. By creating unique handmade frames, you can offer something personalized and meaningful. Choose different widths, stains, and detailing to create various styles, from rustic to modern. Offering customization options for sizes or adding inscriptions will attract buyers who want to celebrate special moments with unique frames. A wooden jewelry holder can cater to a niche market looking for beautiful and functional storage solutions. Designing wall-mounted jewelry holders with hooks and designated spaces for rings, necklaces, and bracelets will provide an attractive way to store accessories. Personalization options such as custom engraving will appeal to customers, especially during gifting seasons. Another intriguing project is a wall-mounted wine rack. This item appeals to both wine enthusiasts and those looking for a stylish way to display their collections. Designing a simple yet elegant rack to hold wine bottles can be quite lucrative. Decorative elements, branded engravings, or even additional storage for glasses can increase the functionality and appeal of your wine rack. Coat hooks can be further customized to become essential elements of home decor. By using creative designs or incorporating artistic elements such as animal shapes or floral designs, you can create unique coat hooks that stand out. These can attract customers looking to add personality to their spaces while maintaining utility. Wooden storage cabinets that can be mounted on walls are another exciting option. These cabinets can have multiple compartments for storing everything from documents to small office supplies. Being functional and stylish, they can target a market looking for clean and organized spaces, perfect for home offices or craft rooms. Lastly, creating wall art from wood can be a highly artistic endeavor. By crafting unique shapes, lettering, or dimensional carvings, you can produce beautiful wall hangings that serve as focal points in a room. Combining different wood species or incorporating mixed media elements, such as plants or metal, can elevate your projects and attract a creative clientele looking for standout pieces. In conclusion, the possibilities for wall-mounted wooden projects are extensive, providing numerous opportunities for profit. By focusing on functional, stylish designs, you can cater to various markets, from practical household items to more decorative and personalized creations. Each project allows for individual expression and creativity, while answering the needs of customers seeking unique, handcrafted wooden decor. Whether selling at craft fairs, online, or through local partnerships, these small woodworking projects can turn a passion for wood into a profitable venture. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.